Hi to everyone and welcome. If you want to start your own business online, if you want to set up your online store, definitely Shopify is one of the best solutions available in the market. And this is very powerful, very convenient. It has tons of educational materials. It has tons of things that you can add to this platform. And it has free trial, of course. To start a free trial, discover the description panel of this video, find the link and press that link, because in this video I want to provide you with all information that you need to fast and easily set up your own Shopify account, your online store to sell goods or services. So when you're gonna find the link in the description panel, you need to press the start a free trial. Email address, password, and your store name that need to be specific, that need to be unique, of course, and that can be really difficult to find the really unique name to describe your business, but you'll figure out that. I will not show to you all the process of registration because it's very simple and easy. It takes up to 2 or 3 minutes. If you will be slow, up to 3 minutes. If you'll be fast, up to 2 minutes. I want to make this video as short as possible with the maximum value, just to show you, to highlight all the main features and all the main things that you will need to use to set up your own store. I created an account already and I have my trial version. This is absolutely blank account that I created especially for this video, and I'm jumping into the dashboard. That's how Shopify looks from inside, and this is the main page, home. You have orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, discount, apps, and online store, and that's what where you're gonna spend most of your time. But let's start from the start. All the things that you need to make. I told you already that this is a totally blank account, and I have 8 days left in my trial. And first of all, the platform kindly reminding you that you need to choose a plan. But I suggest you to use 14-day trial to set everything up, and only after that, after you'll be ready to launch, you need to choose a plan. So let's jump to home, add a product, customize theme, and add a domain. That's 3 steps that you need to make, and it seems easy, and it is easy and simple if you know what's happening here actually. Let's discover all the things first. Orders, it's pretty clear. Yeah, orders, drafts, and abandoned checkouts. All the information about your orders, about your payments, about all the things that connected to the sales is here, will be here. Products, all products. You can add a product, find the products from your inventory, transfer all the things between the new incomes to your inventory and so on. You can create a collections of an items, and this is very useful feature if you have not 1, not 2 items, but like 50, 70, hundreds of different types of sizes maybe, and colors and so on. Maybe you're selling some, I don't know, physical stuff. Gift cards, there's a gift cards you can handle with the gift cards. Customers, here in this spot you'll see all the customers information, all the information about all the purchases, all the purchases history will be available here. Analytics, this is totally one of the most important part of this, of any business actually, not only of this business. This is totally macro. All the reports, also sales equation, profit margin, customers, and so on and so on. There's a lot of information to take care of. Marketing, this is the second biggest thing. Marketing, yeah, if you have some goods, if you have some stuff, you need to run ad campaigns with different sales channels, and in that case you'll get more potential clients. You'll show your products to more clients, potential clients, and you're gonna bring them to physical clients. If you know nothing about the email marketing or marketing in general, you see the 5 rules of digital advertising, how to design your product page, how much you should spend on advertising, how to create an effective value proposition, and so on and so on. You can learn, you can educate yourself straight from the platform, and this is pretty great because there are tons of educational materials are really powerful. Or of course you can use on YouTube to find more information. So launch a one-click multi-channel campaign. That's gonna be handy when you have everything set up already. But I want to highlight all these marketing apps. This is absolutely huge, and this is absolutely powerful tools, and you can switch them on. It's like you're building an infrastructure, and after that, you're adding some things to that infrastructure already. Snapchat ads, for example, you can sell things in Snapchat. SMS bump, you can run SMS campaigns like in email marketing, the SMS marketing. This is pretty cool and pretty great, and you can view more marketing apps, and not only marketing apps, because we're gonna jump to, you see the campaigns. Okay, overviews, macro about the marketing campaigns, all your active campaigns and all the results, automation, and you see, learn more about automations, and you can automate all the processes. And this is the spot of a real business. A real business, you know what is, what is real business? When you're sleeping and your business working for you, that's a real business. So automation is definitely one of the most important parts. Discounts, discount codes, you'll figure it out. And apps, that's what I was talking about previously. You can view more apps in this collection, and it's about design, it's about planning, shipping, bookkeeping, and marketing. There are tons of interesting and very useful applications, and just you need to dig deeper about this application, because it can bring your business skyrocket, really. So online store. Your online store is password protected from the start, because the platform secures itself from unprecedented sales. To switch off, to disable the password, you need to go to preferences, and password protection is in preferences. The password is, I don't know, maybe it doesn't matter. There's a password, and people cannot buy something from your email, from your website, because it's password protected. Okay, so you need to pick a plan. We talk about the plan already previously, and if we are on the preferences, let's talk about them. Title, the meta description, all the SEO things need to be passed. You need to type in the homepage title, homepage meta description, with the keywords that will describe your business as much as possible and as specific as possible. So keep on that. Social sharing image, if you want to share your website to external platforms like Facebook or Pinterest or some else, this image will be displayed, so you need to add this image. And page title, you see, is going to be this one, page title and description. If you need more analytical information, if you need more analytics, you can switch on the Google Analytics account. If you have one, you can paste your code here from Google. Facebook pixel also, it's very important thing. If you're selling goods online and you're using Facebook ad campaigns, definitely you need to set up the Facebook pixel. Customer privacy, password protection, and spam protection. It's pretty clear. Domains. You see tons of goods here, .myshopify.com. This is not the best domain, don't you think? So you can buy a new domain from here. You can transfer domain, or you can act existing domain if you have one elsewhere. Navigation here in this spot, all the things connected to online store. Navigation, you can use all those menus, title, footer menu, and main menu. Pages, you can add pages or delete pages if you need so. Blog post, the same thing. And the themes. But before I'll show you the themes, I want to show you the sales channels, because now we're talking about only the online store, and this is like a core of your sales channels. This is the main one, and this is the platform that everything lays on. But you can switch on point of sale, buy button, free to add, buy button fees may apply, sell your products on any website or blog. So you're gonna have an API, and you can post your buy button to any place that you want. Messenger, You can sell in Messenger, Google, Facebook, and Shopify chat. So all the sales channels, you can manage the sales channels. Some of them are for free, but small fee may apply, so consider that. And now we're going to talk about the online store itself. So the first and most common mistake that everybody makes is to use a default theme. Yeah, its current theme is debuted, and everybody, okay, I'm gonna customize this one. Just think twice about that, because a lot of people who selling and buying on Shopify, they know this platform, and they know they can recognize that you're using a default theme, and it's not so professional as you want to be. That's why you need to discover maybe some good and professional themes for you from the Shopify theme store. There are free themes, or you can buy one. But the editing features are pretty the same, and I'm going to show you how to customize any of your templates that you will choose. It's a little bit unusual, because if you're familiar with internet marketing and you saw all those website building platforms, you know that everything is happening with the drag and drop features, and you can just double click on any element, you can move elements around. Here you can't. And that's a little bit annoying, actually. But definitely you can build professional looking website straight on this platform, and everything that you can change with this left hand menu. For example, image with text overlay, you see the structure is the same. There are sections with the content, there are header, there are footer, and that's pretty it. And you need to take care about all the section. You need to change all the things here, like text, that you cannot change with double click on it, and you need to handle all this left hand menu here, text, and all the text is pretty here. You'll figure out all the settings are here. You can select an image from your computer, or you can explore free images, and considering your type of your business, maybe you have a coffee, yeah, or some else things. Just you can use the free images if you don't have your own content, but you want to start selling without a physical store or physical cafe or physical, I don't know, you just need to have a warehouse, and that's pretty it. You can sell the internet, and you can explore those free images, and you can definitely find something for yourself. Of course, it's much better to use your own content that you created, but if you have no opportunity, you have free images, stock quality, just great stock quality images. You can use it for free, or of course you can create your own content. You can move those things around to get the order that you want, to get the shape that you want. And you can add sections. Maybe you have some physical store and you want to add a map, or you need the logo list, or you need the collection list, and so on and so on. It depends on the type of your business. And as I told you previously, nobody except you can describe your business better. So you need to take care about all of that. You need to play around with all the settings. You need to you need to combine all the things together. And show your business to your potential clients. How to delete, for example, I didn't need this testimonials here, but it's an important section, but I want to remove it, and I can remove it only from inside. I showed you that, and you'll figure out that there's a theme settings here also. The colors, typography, source, social media, favicon, add to cart notification, checkout, and theme style is switched off. All the settings, all the things you can change here. I'm gonna jump out, and I want to show you the products button and how to add a product physically. You need to type the title, you need to type in the description using the keywords. All the media, all the files you can add here with this button. Pricing, for example, you're selling something for 100 and you need to compare it to 250, you know the price will be crossed on the website. And for example, you're making a drop shipping and you selling for 100 and you buying for 25, for example, and you see the margin, you see the profit that you get from one sale, and you can charge tax on this product if you need to do so. Inventory, stock keeping unit, barcode, and like all the things, quantity, how much do you have that on stock, shipping information, the weight of kilograms, and so you need to handle all these things. You can also switch the product type, the vendor, and create the collections in the collections actually, and you can use the separate tags for each of the product. That's gonna be much more better to search engines and to find to people who will search like things like t-shirt for summer or cotton t-shirt, yeah, and you can use all those tags that will be invisible and so on. So guys, I showed you all the main things that you need to use to set up your first online store on Shopify. I hope this was useful. I hope you will start soon, and definitely after you're ready, you need to pick a plan. It's basic Shopify, and advanced Shopify, $29.79 and $299 per month. There's a difference actually, 2% transaction fee, 1% and 0.5% transaction fee, and a lot of interesting things more. It depends on your type of business, and I wish you to start building your website first to manage all the things with inventory, because this is very, very, very useful and very powerful platform to run sales of physical goods from one spot, not using the external warehouse software and so on. This is really powerful for online shops and for online stores, and the price is really affordable. So if you're gonna try to build it on a separate platform or in a website building platform, you need to pay for design, paying for a lot of things. So it's better to get the ready platform to set everything up and to launch fast, easy, and to make an income. That's what I want you to do. I want to remind you that I will have the link in the description panel of this video, and you can easily get that link to get access to Shopify. I wish you good luck. I wish you to start soon, and I wish you big profits. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate, and I really wish you good luck, because if you will be happy, I will be happy also. Thanks, bye-bye, and see you in the next video.